Hi, I'm Will Moore from Codico Distributors. Welcome to Ifex 2018. To help solve solutions for customers looking for variable data, 2D matrix codes, QR codes, also printed up by labeling systems. We are also able to provide a complete solution that includes conveying equipment, friction feeder systems for coding sleeves offline. We can also help with serialization and also full systems looking for scanning, technical and capabilities.
Codico can also support you with your coding automation, i.e. that means the right code gets onto the right product every time. So your operator now is taken out of the equation. You can only select the message. We ensure that the message is taken from your ERP system and loaded down into our control systems, ready for printing when that product comes live. We can also read the codes afterwards and ensure that the right code is in the right product.
Ifex of Poland to provide automatic labelling, either from labelling heads, standalone heads that apply labels to packaging as it moves through on a conveyor belt, or right down to bespoke labelling systems, say for cylindrical packaging like cans, bottles, jars, even vials for the life science market. We can pretty much apply a label onto any kind of packaging, either fully automated or semi-automated.